All right, ladies and gentlemen, trade recap from today. Today was definitely a weird day. Bias was spot on, position was spot on, except I got stopped out literally by. All right, let's measure this. So, stop loss was right here. I could have just put out the wick, and then I ended up getting stopped out by by 2 points. That's brutal. Yeah, literally by 2 points, and then we ran. We would have ran one take profit, two take. No, second take profit still not ran. It looks like we're about to run it though. Now let's get into this buy. So coming into the day, told the Discord, I was like, yo, hold on. I was like, yo, we're just like this is like so rangy. We have nothing here. All we have is this high inside this 4 hour gap. We left this new day opening gap from yesterday that we never came to. We were also playing in this 4 hour gap as well while ES was disrespected that gap or inversed it. We had another bullish SMT, but it was still not confirmed. It was from this low down to this low on ES, this low up to this low. Yeah, it was like right. It was right here. But, anyways, let's get into this. So, market actually at first my eyes were on these relatively equal lows right here. But as soon as market opened, we came down, we took them out, and I was like, also let me see if we're in discount. And this line right here in the middle is discount. And then we also had these two 1 hour gaps stacked up, and I was like, oh, this is perfect. We're gonna be in discount. We also have these gaps right here. We came down, and then yeah, we kind of chopped around for a little bit. I kept switching between the 5 minute or the 3 minute and the 5 minute, waiting to see what's gonna happen off this gap. We did have an SMT from like here to here, I believe. Yeah, so from like these O's down to these O's. One thing that kind of like when I was shitting bricks on this was look at how close ES got to previous day low right here, right? We were probably like 20 points away. Fucking 4 points away. Okay, yeah, so we were 4 points away from previous day low. So I was like, all right, bro, like this trade's either gonna stop me out and I'll have the bias completely wrong, or it's gonna play out. It actually stopped me out by by 2 points, and then we ran. But yeah, so it was just based off this 5 minute inverse, and again, I really don't like taking 5 minute inverses, but it, and the problem with this trade is like I waited, or no, I executed even though my break even point was taken out. It was this start of this 5 minute gap right here. So that kind of sucks that it was taken out, and I shouldn't have taken this, but I was just like so confident in the draw up to this 4 hour high, and it looks like we're gonna reverse now. But so let me scale in. So yeah, we're actually on the 5 minutes. So yeah, 5 minute inverse this gap. We also took on my break even point. I was like, all right, bro, fuck it. I'm taking this on eval. Stop loss under this candle just because it was like so huge, and we also formed like after this candle closed, we also formed that 5 minute gap. Yeah, ended up getting stopped out by 2 points, and then we completely ran, take profit, and then after I saw price inverse that 5 minute gap, right? I was like, all right, bro, I'm going long. First take profit at this, it looks like a data high. So I had it up there, and then second take profit up to those 4 hour highs that we talked about, but I ended up getting trout out right. I got trout out like right here. Yeah, I just moved my stop loss instantly, and then it came down, hit the stop loss, and then proceeded to pump up even more. But yeah, I'm fine with it. I'm still up on the day. It just sucks that this completely could have been avoided by one not taking this trade after my break even point was taken out, or I could have still taken that trade, just had a little wider stop loss. I don't know. I just wanted to play it safe today just because we have FOMC. But yeah, so that's trade recap from today. I appreciate you guys for watching the trade recap. Um, yeah, definitely a weird day. I honestly taking this 5 minute inverse was also kind of dumb just because like bro, like this was a 15-minute gap, so you never know. It could have just been a reversal. But hey man, you gotta let them nuts hang. So yeah, no break even on this trade. I just let it ran. I let it run. Let's see what the risk reward is on this actually. Um, I probably got something like 1 to 3. Whoa, I'm bugging. 1 to 1.3. Nah. Not anything huge, but I'm still up on the day. I definitely risked a lot more than I should have on this trade, but I wanted to make back the loss, which is bad, bro. This is actually bad. Yeah, I gotta work on the mental. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching the trade recap. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.